Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how to efficiently search for received documents in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This is where all your Google Drive files are stored. Once you're on the home page of Google Drive, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Next, look for the advanced search icon located at the right end of the search bar. It looks like a small funnel or filter icon. Clicking on this icon will open a new dialog box that allows you to refine your search criteria. Now let's specify what type of documents you're looking for. In the dialog box, find the section labeled Type. Click on it and select Documents from the drop-down menu. This will filter your search results to show only document files, making it easier to locate what you need. After that, we want to narrow down our search even further. Look for the Owner option in the same dialog box. Click on it and choose Not Owned by Me. This setting is particularly useful if you're looking for documents that others have shared with you but are not your own creations. Once you've set these filters, go ahead and click the Search button at the bottom of the dialog box. Google Drive will now display a list of documents that meet your specified criteria. Finally, scroll through the results to find the document you want. You can click on any document to open it and start reviewing or editing as needed. And there you have it. By using these advanced search features in Google Drive, you can quickly find received documents without sifting through countless files. Remember to utilize these steps whenever you're in need of locating specific documents efficiently. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity with Google Drive and other tools. Happy searching!